Hello, boss. Today, we'd like show you small type 10 kilograms welding positioner. First connect 220 volts power. Turn on the power switch. This is the forward and reverse switch. Emergency stop button. Speed adjust. And foot switch. Press once to turn, release to stop. Work table diameter is 180 millimeters. Thickness 9毫米. Equip with a 65 millimeters welding chuck. Very convenient. Conductive mechanism uses copper rod. Precision machining. Long-term use. Wear resistant and heat resistant. Manual overturn. Manual locking of handwheel.